Welcome back to my daily vlog. We're going to get fireworks today. I'm super excited about it. Hopefully we can find some super cheap ones and some ones that are staying on the ground because it's Colorado and they're illegal. And we have to be very careful with the ones that we use, so we're going to be very safe with it. I cannot wait to do it. I cannot wait to get them. We're going to fire off one tonight for Christina, maybe another one on the 5th, but we haven't quite decided yet because she's going to be with Heidi. So, everyone excited for fireworks? Yeah! Oh man, you guys sound pumped. You want smoke bombs? Fireworks, look what we got. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna shoot one off tonight for you. You're gonna be able to light it? Are you excited? Yeah, me too. Just finished going through our fireworks. We went to a fireworks stand that everything was buy one, get one. Like seriously, you buy one, you get one. That's what you do. So we got double the fireworks for half the price, or whatever you want to say, however you want to say that. And this is the stash that we ended up getting. So we have sparklers, different kinds. We have poppets, smoke bombs, little TNT things. We have more TNTs. These are all the stuff that doesn't really light up. They just are like smoke bombs and, you know, poppets, sparklers, things that the kids can watch and do while we let the big fireworks go. Let me see what you got, Lily. Let me see. And then we got tons of fountains because it's pretty much the only legal thing here. We got a Black Widow. We got...
I got this one.
The little patriot, sorry, pirate.
Tiny mine barrel.
TNT barrels. The boys are super excited for that. Oh yeah, what's that one called? The pyro fire?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Man,
It's another fountain. We got the bumblebee, which is our favorite from last year. 3, 2, 1, pull! Stand back. Oh my gosh, it blew up. Those things are like that big.
Oh my god, it went down! Fire!
Alright, how's it work out?
Oh, they can pop that. Black. God. Mine's out already. Mine's not out. As in mine.
Stand back. Oh my god.
Yes, it's smoke. Let's get back. Boy.
Ha Joe. It's coming for you. Hey! You stepped on one? So fast.
Sorry, got it?
Yep.
You're supposed to roll it. Mister, we're going all the way back.
tonight. We had a great time shooting on fireworks with the kids. I can't wait till tomorrow. It's the 4th of July. You guys won't see this till the next day, but I hope you guys really enjoy your 4th of July. I hope you guys have a great week and a great day, just like we did. And as always, get your smile on. Bye. All right, we have poppers. We're gonna be popping our poppers. Let me see your poppers.
I can't open
Oh,
mine.
yeah.
Pupper. Don't
Go.
get mine.
Wow.